Alright guys, so your activity for today is very similar or the same as your activity for last week. So I have created another story for you, okay? And when we finish reading this story, we're going to read it twice. Then we are going to go back and we're going to use this color to highlight our high frequency words in this story, okay? So the words you are looking for are sleep, love, much, stay, and there. Okay, so the instructions say read the story, then go back and highlight your high frequency words found in the story. Please use this color. Enjoy. Remember, the words we're looking for are sleep, love, much, stay, there. Remember to listen for those words, okay? One of my favorite things to do is sleep in on weekends. I love how well rested I feel when I wake up after getting to stay in bed for an extended amount of time. My daughters also stay in their beds longer than usual. On days like this, I make a big breakfast with confetti waffles. My daughters love confetti waffles, and I do too. We probably eat way too much, so we go outside to play and stay out there all day. They like to ride their bikes and play cornhole. I love days like this. It is so much fun to be with the family we love. Remember, you will read this twice and then go back and look for these words and highlight them. I will begin doing it for you first, okay? So I'm going to get my color and then I'm going to go down here. So one of my favorite things to do is sleep. Hey, sleep is a high frequency word. I'm going to go back up here to the highlighter, push the color and highlight it. And on weekends, I love, hey, love is also a high frequency word. I'm going to highlight that. Okay, so you will continue doing this until you have found all these words. Now make sure that when you finish and you think you're done, that you go back through it and read it maybe one more time just to make sure you have highlighted all of your high frequency words and that you haven't missed any. Enjoy this activity, guys.